Hello. So I bought an SJCAM N10 for my holiday in Turkey. I want to go quad biking with my son. So I thought it was going to be very dusty, so I put it in the waterproof housing. When I came home, I had absolutely no sound at all. That was very boring, but I think I have the answer. When you take off the regular cover, yes, and you put on the one with the gaps in it. Well, then you have sound, but it is no longer dust proof. Well, what you can do to keep it dust proof, put the camera in it. Take some ordinary household plastic. Take a piece. Mark. Tuurlijk niet. Ja. Yes. Ja. Buizelschaar. Yes. Put it over the cam. Just close the housing as you would normally do. Voila. Dust proof, and you've got sound. Because the layer of household plastic is so thin, you get sound, but you get no dust. Warning, it's not waterproof, it's splatter proof. It's a great option, but they had to think about it before they made it. Thanks.